Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk about one important topic. How important is English in our lives? English is not just a subject in school. It is a language that connects the world. In today's world, English is everywhere. When we open the internet, most websites are in English. When we watch YouTube, many videos are in English. When we use mobile apps, most of them use English. So, English helps us understand the world better. English in education. In schools and colleges, many books are written in English. If we want to study higher education, we need English. Many entrance exams are in English. If we understand English, we can learn more knowledge. English in jobs. In many companies, people speak English. In interviews, many questions are asked in English. If we know English, we can answer confidently. Good English skills can help us get better jobs. It can also help us get promotions. English and technology. Computers, coding, and software mostly use English words. Programming languages like Python, Java, and C++ use English commands. If we know English, technology becomes easier. English and communication. English is called an international language. People from different countries use English to talk to each other. If we know English, we can make friends around the world. We can travel to other countries and communicate easily. English and confidence. When we speak English, we feel more confident. We are not afraid to speak in public. We can express our ideas clearly. English improves our communication skills. But remember one thing, English is important, but our mother tongue is also important. We should respect our own language. English is a skill. Our mother tongue is our identity. Both are important in our lives. Conclusion: English is not only a language, it is a tool for success. It gives us more opportunities. It helps us grow. It helps us connect with the world. So, let us not fear English. Let us practice every day. Step by step, we can improve. Thank you.